A recent federal census has estimated that today there are more than 1,000 slums in Rio de Janeiro. They have spread rapidly in the past 40 years and are now a constant part of this Brazilian city landscape. Despite their number, they remain marginalized and lack important infrastructure. To help improve the infrastructure of these spaces, we propose the creation of a mobile interactive robot that can float around the slums, connected to cables, sensing diverse situations and communicating to the population. Such emergent situations could be communicated via color signals. These would include, at night, sensing movement of the inhabitants, turning lights and follow a specific person on their way home, signal the population if there is any police and criminal conflict, possible fire, possible earth slide or heavy rain, and issues related to the health. This little dummy will play the role of a little kid in the slum. This is the robotics system that will light up and will give information. These posts here are connected to motors and they have different lights. These lights will blink, presenting different informations. We're gonna role play with this little child coming through the neighborhood. Once I go over this sensor here, you see our post lights up and it moves. It goes again and the post lights up and it moves, and subsequently the idea is to have a lot of these posts distributed around the neighborhood. So let's look at it again. Here is where the sensors are. Once you walk through a sensor, the light will start and the motor will move our robot around the street. Every time it moves, the robot will follow the person, illuminating the sidewalk. A possible scenario could inform the inhabitants about dangerous situations around the areas. Sensors embedded could tell the robot about possible earth slidings or how are the terrain conditions. The robot will sense the movement of the people and will light informing them about the problems and the dangers of walking over those spaces.